Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to create captions for messages using Google Meet. Before seeing this, open up the app. Now you click on the three lines actually at the top left corner over here. Now you're given three options: privacy, Meet, settings, help, and feedback. You click on settings. So next we have three other options: calling settings, meeting settings, blocked users. We're trying to create captions for messages, so we select calling settings. Now here we have four options: calling account, in-call settings, message settings, or notifications. What you do is that select message settings. Now we have two options here: save messages and captions for messages. And we are trying to create captions, so we click on captions for messages. Now captions simply means that we have an audio, we want to have it transcribed, we want to have the written and transcription of everything we said during the meeting. So you turn it on. Now note that when you turn this on, the audio of your Meet messages will be sent to Google to be transcribed. It will not be stored, but it will be sent to Google to be transcribed. And the transcription will use your device's default language. If you don't want to do it anymore, click on Not Now. But if you are still interested in making captions or creating captions for your messages, then click on Turn On. And then whenever you make a Google video meeting, the audio will automatically be sent to Google for it to be transcribed. So that is how to create captions for messages on Google Meet. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.